it's Julie Jordan Scott. I'm so grateful you're here. We are about to go on an adventure into the ideal client experience with me, Creative Life Midwife, Julie Jordan Scott. Come along for the adventure. So when I start my new client experience with my ideal client, that's what it's like. It has that sense of adventure, that sense of excitement, that sense of, oh my gosh, what's going to happen next? What are we going to do? What am I going to learn? And where am I going to take that discovery next? I'm so excited. And as we get into the experience together, what we find is a sense of the sacred within us, around us, and among the possibilities that we create together. Because for me, with my client, it's a collaborative experience. It's a collaborative experience that points the way to more and more wonder, to more and more freedom, and a deep sense of peace and belonging and possibility. I remember the first day of school, I was always so excited to get those new textbooks, to open them up and smell that delicious smell, to learn about what I would be learning, and to meet the new people. To meet the new people I would be sharing the adventure of a new year with. Yeah, I know. I was a nerd, I am a nerd, and I'm proud of it. In each session, there's that chance to create something new, or a new relationship with something, and we come up with an action plan. But it's not like one way is the only way. It's more like step and step again, and check out the possibilities. Always the possibilities. And if you fall down, you get up. You repeat. You stop, you continue, you refresh. In my ideal client experience, we know that there is a lot of great stuff that happens during the session or the seminar or that particular session, and there is so much outside. It's like the session itself or the class or the seminar or the workshop, whatever it is the door opening just a crack. And all the gloriousness happens when the lesson itself meets your real life. And when that happens, when we awaken to that discovery, it's back to being that kid on the first day of school. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What's next? What's next? And yet standing present in the smell of that textbook when you first open it, and knowing that within those pages is bliss, and that you get to be the co-creator in that bliss. Yes, like that. So thanks so much for hanging out with me on this adventure today. I thought I was going to change shirts, and I didn't. I would love nothing more than to hang out with you and have one of these ideal client experiences. So if you feel compelled, whether it's today or if you keep watching and months from now you decide, I want to have that bliss she's talking about, well, contact me. Julie Jordan Scott. I'm all across social media, and if you look in the description of this video, you can see how to contact me directly. Let's get together, sign up for one of my classes, or that sounds weird, or hang out with me one-on-one.